So Mautic is useless without the cron jobs. Cron job is a time-based job scheduler to automate system maintenance or the management. To handle some management tasks on Mautic, such as updating contacts or campaigns, executing campaigns, sending emails, etc. To achieve all these tasks in Mautic, we have to set up cron job. So as you can see, cron jobs are the heart of the Mautic, as Mautic is useless without the cron jobs.
Check my bling, I ride fly on my plane sky high. It's a thug's high.
So hi guys, my name is Ankit. I'm a growth marketer and marketing automation expert. In this video, I will explain you how to set up cron jobs on Mautic. So you do not need help of any developer or anybody else. If you are not technical, just don't worry. Just follow what I'm doing and you are good to go, and your Mautic will start working and executing the campaigns and sending the emails. So let's begin.
Now first you have to log into your Mautic. So once you log in, you have to go to settings and go to configuration. Now you have to check for path to log directory. Now copy this path and paste it somewhere on your notepad. Now you have to remove, now you have already copied your Mautic path, so you have to remove these options and write down bin/console. Now open your cPanel, log into your cPanel, and you have to find cron jobs. Now click on cron jobs and you have to check for the PHP commands. Now you have to copy the first path of your general example. So copy that and paste it just before your path. Now third step is to write Mautic commands to execute certain tasks on Mautic. So go to my website ankitshah.live and check the setup cron job blog, or I already gave a link to the blog in the video description. So click on that and open the blog and find for the mandatory cron jobs to run Mautic. So here is my blog and you have to find mandatory cron jobs for Mautic option. Now you have to copy the first command called Mautic segments update. Now copy this and paste the same command beside your path. Now you have successfully write your cron job. Now just copy this cron job and paste that cron job inside your cPanel command section. Now your cron job has been created in command. Now you have to decide like how frequently you want your cron job to be executed. So as I can see in comment section, it says once per 5 minutes, or you can keep it as once per minute and click on add a new cron job. So that's it, your cPanel successfully added the cron job. Now your cron job has been added to your Mautic. Now you have to go back to your Mautic, create a segment. So this is we are doing just because just to test our cron job whether it's working or not. So I'm just creating a segment. Click on new, test segment, go to filters, email equals not empty, save and close. Before adding this filter for your segment, make sure you have to add a single email address or single contact in your contact section. So now let's wait for 5 minutes to get these segments updated. It will take 5 minutes because we have mentioned that every 5 minutes our segment update cron job has to be updated. So after waiting for 5 minutes, as you can see, my test segment has been updated with the 6 contacts. So that means your cron job is working perfectly. Now you have to add other cron jobs. So I have provided all the cron jobs which I am using right now on my Mautic. So you can see one is Mautic webhook process, another is Mautic lead list update, Mautic campaign update, Mautic campaign trigger, Mautic social monitoring, Mautic email process, Mautic fetch email, Mautic IP lookup download, Mautic campaign rebuild. And also I have mentioned all the frequency rules here. This is once for 5 minutes, once for 15 minutes, for 10 minutes, once for 10 minutes. So this is how you can just replicate these things, and yes, you are good to go, and your Mautic will start working, and you can execute any campaign or anything you want to do with your Mautic, and you can add any actions and trigger in your campaign as well.
So that's it, guys. If you really find this tutorial helpful, then please like and share this video. And if you have any queries or questions, please ask me in the comment section, as well as you can ask me on my website ankitshah.live, and I will get back to you. And last but not the least, please, if you really find this video helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel, as I will be sharing more contents, more videos on Mautic marketing automation as well as growth hacking, and I will be giving more tips on those areas. Thank you.